Now let's make a deposit. First thing you gotta know is Binance does not deal with fiat currency. It only deals with cryptocurrency. So you will have had to previously purchase cryptocurrency on another exchange that you'll be sending into the Binance website. So once you've done that, go ahead and go into the Binance, look for the Funds tab and click Deposits. You'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and type in the coin you're sending or scroll through and look for it. In this example, we'll go ahead and be sending Bitcoin. Once you do so, you'll notice it generates for you a Bitcoin deposit address. This address is specific to your Binance website, and it's specific to accepting Bitcoin only. It's crucial that whatever cryptocurrency you're sending into Binance, you're sending to its corresponding deposit address. You can't send Ether or Neo or Litecoin or any other cryptocurrency to a Bitcoin address. You can only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. It's very, very crucial that you understand that. So go ahead and copy this address, and we're going to then temporarily leave the Binance website. We're going to go to the wallet or exchange where that Bitcoin is currently being held. Now, depending what exchange or wallet you're using, you're going to look for the withdraw tab or the send button inside that other wallet that's holding the Bitcoin. And you're going to look for the deposit address. And you're going to go ahead and paste the deposit address that you copied from the Binance website into that deposit address bar in the other wallet, and then click Submit. Go ahead and go to the Binance site, and you can watch this transaction happen in real time by clicking the Funds tab and then choosing Transaction History. It takes a few minutes for it to pop up in the Transaction History section, and then it'll take even longer for it to be completed, but you can follow and watch it happen. Once it says completed, you can see your actual balance change by clicking the Funds tab and then choosing Balances.